copyright strikes can occur when users upload content that infringes on the copyright of others. This infringement often involves using someone else's creative work, such as music, images, videos, or written material, without the proper authorization, permission, or license from the copyright owner. Trademark violations often manifest in listings belonging to other brands, involving issues like counterfeits, brand impersonation, and unauthorized use of trademarks. Regular monitoring, enforcement, and educating sellers are crucial steps to combat such infringements on online marketplaces. Swift action is essential to protect brand integrity and customer trust. Let's break down the process of handling trademark, copyright, or design patent infringement on Amazon, including precautionary steps. The significance of registration, steps to resolve infringement, and reinstating your listing. Precautionary steps. Familiarize yourself with the intellectual property laws relevant to your products and jurisdictions. Before listing a product, perform comprehensive searches to ensure there are no existing trademarks, copyrights, or design patents that could be infringed upon. Consult with an intellectual property attorney to ensure that your products are compliant with all laws and regulations. When sourcing products from platforms like Alibaba, it's crucial to check for design patents associated with the products you intend to purchase. This ensures that the products you are acquiring do not infringe on existing design patents, reducing the risk of legal issues down the line. Choose suppliers with a good reputation and a history of adhering to intellectual property laws. Consider using suppliers who are part of Alibaba's Gold Supplier Program or other reputable sourcing platforms. Steps to resolve infringement. Collect evidence of your registered trademarks, copyrights, or design patents, including registration certificates, proof of first use, and any relevant documentation. Determine the source of the infringement, whether it's a specific seller or entity. Have your attorney send a cease and desist letter to the infringing party, demanding that they stop selling the infringing product. Use Amazon's infringement reporting tools to submit a complaint. Include all relevant evidence and details about the infringement. Solution for reinstating your listing. If your listing has been taken down, submit a counter notice to Amazon. State that your product does not infringe on any intellectual property rights. Include all evidence supporting your claim in the counter notice. This may involve sharing trademark registration certificates, design patents, or copyright ownership documentation. Engage in open and prompt communication with Amazon's seller performance team. Respond to their inquiries and provide any additional information they may request. If necessary, involve legal professionals to assist in crafting a strong case and communicating with Amazon effectively. Additional tips. Regularly check your product listings on Amazon to identify and address potential infringement issues early. Take advantage of Amazon's brand registry program, which provides additional tools and resources for protecting your brand on the platform. Document your intellectual property rights thoroughly and present a strong case to both the infringing party and Amazon. If initial attempts to resolve the issue fail, be prepared to escalate the matter legally. Remember that the information provided here is general guidance, and it's crucial to consult with a qualified intellectual property attorney for advice tailored to your specific situation.